Hello everybody. I just wanted to answer a question that I've been asked a lot over the last, I don't know, 6 months, 5 months. No, it's been a couple of months after I started the worm farm. And it is, why am I worm farming, and do I think I can make a profit at it? And am I worm farming for a profit? And yes, I am. I am worm farming for profit now. And I am turning it into a small business. And the reason why is I needed a new challenge. I had just gotten so complacent in life. I was just going to work and coming home and nothing. I mean, that's all I did, and that's all I felt like I was doing. So a few years ago, I made a big change in my life, and I just tried to be different, and I lost a lot of weight. So I lost 125 pounds, and that gave me the energy I needed to get into worm farming. And then I started doing that, and then the question is this, why am I doing it for profit? And the why is because I want to build a business. I live in a really small community, and between the two towns we have about 1,100 people, and our community is slowly getting smaller. People leave every year because there's no jobs around here available. The people that are here are mostly entrepreneurs themselves. We have very few actual businesses around here. And definitely no factories, no big stores, nothing like that. So I wanted to do it to help out the community too. So, and also to help people out, to give them a good organic product that they can put in their gardens and they can grow healthy food with, that they don't have to have chemicals for. And it just make them better, make their health better, make their food, better quality, make their ground and their land a better quality, and just help out the planet. And I love the idea of the recycling. I recycle so much stuff here, and I recycle veggies and stuff from grocery stores to keep them from going to the landfill here. I recycle cardboard like crazy here, and I use it for all kinds of stuff, bedding, just boxes to work with, hold stuff, reuse and recycle, But I believe in all that stuff, and I absolutely want to do good for this community. They've been very supportive. And just the YouTube community, oh my goodness, it's been so supportive. It has been so awesome. I've loved every moment I've been on there. It's just been amazing. And thank you guys for all that, by the way. But that was the reason. I didn't start for money, and I'm not doing it to get rich. I'm not sure if that's possible right now. But I am doing it so maybe I can hire a person or two and afford to help out somebody else, even part-time, because work is slim around here. And if I can help somebody else have money, have a job, and have some security, I want to be able to do that. And I think that's a great thing. And the boss I work for now, he actually does that kind of thing. He's a nice guy, and he spends a lot of money on his employees, and it's a small town, and he hires more people than he needs, and that's really nice. And that's the kind of thing I'm talking about around here, is it's a beautiful community that support each other, and I want to be a part of all that. And it's been that way on YouTube, it's been that way here, and I want to continue that. And I want to be able to support and help somebody else. That is my goal with this business, this endeavor. And that's about it. And so I just started doing it. And I didn't think about it that much, honestly. I just thought it would be nice for the community, nice for me, nice for the planet. you know, nice in general for our environment. So that was it. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. And if you guys have any advice or comments or questions, just leave them down in the comments and I will get to it. And I will listen to advice. I love advice. I love to hear people's thoughts on what I'm doing. So thank you guys and have a good night.